Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Taser Stick is probably one of the most debated and misunderstood self-defense tools available on the market today, often shrouded in controversy and misinformation, yet its potential as a non-lethal option for personal protection is undeniable, prompting a closer look at its effectiveness, legality, and responsible use in various scenarios. Number 5. SABRE Pepper Spray and Stun Gun Self-Defense Kit. SABRE is the #1 brand in pepper spray, trusted by law enforcement and consumers globally. Our stun guns are independently tested to ensure reliable protection when you need it most. With 35 bursts and a true 10-foot range, it offers protection against multiple assailants. The powerful stream minimizes wind blowback, and a built-in clip allows for easy carrying. This device delivers a painful charge to help defend against an attacker. Its anti-grab bar technology even shocks an assailant if they attempt to take it from you. Quickly find your way in the dark with the bright LED flashlight. It's rechargeable and comes with accessories for easy carrying, including a wrist strap and belt clip. Your purchase includes links to free training videos and safety tips. Learn how to maximize your personal safety with these valuable resources. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive self-defense solution with both pepper spray and a stun gun. It features a bright flashlight and anti-grab technology for added security. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one package from a brand trusted by law enforcement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Police Taser Stick is a powerful self-defense tool. It features a bright LED flashlight that can be used for illumination or to disorient an attacker. The durable construction ensures it can withstand tough situations. Number 4. Lipstick Stun Gun for Women. Introducing the Lipstick Stun Gun for Women, a powerful self-defense tool designed for your safety. It delivers an electrifying jolt and a loud sound to deter any attacker. This device also features a compact, bright flashlight with 100 lumens, capable of illuminating areas from yards away. It's perfect for navigating dark spaces or signaling for help. Its discreet design allows it to blend in seamlessly with your daily accessories. Hidden within is a high-voltage stun prong, providing you with the time needed to escape a dangerous situation. Designed for ultimate convenience, this self-defense tool is compact and can easily attach to your keychain. You can carry it anywhere, ensuring you're always prepared. It comes complete with a wall charger for easy recharging. We also offer a lifetime warranty, ensuring your complete satisfaction with your purchase. What we like. This stun gun is designed for those who prioritize discretion and style in their self-defense tools. Its lipstick shape makes it easy to carry and conceal, offering a powerful deterrent when needed. If you are a woman looking for a self-defense item that blends seamlessly with your accessories, this is the perfect option. What people say. The Police Taser Stick is a high-quality self-defense tool. It features a powerful stun gun with a bright LED flashlight. The compact design makes it easy to carry and conceal. Number 3. Mini Stun Gun with LED Flashlight. Tired of bulky self-defense tools? This compact device is half the size of traditional stun guns but packs a powerful punch, offering more power than most models available today. Feel secure wherever you go with this reliable self-defense tool. Its built-in LED flashlight helps you navigate in the dark, providing peace of mind in parks, on streets, or in shopping malls. Forget about buying batteries. This device features convenient USB charging and a portable keychain design that easily attaches to your wrist or fits in your purse or pocket. Accidental discharge is prevented with its integrated safety switch. Simply turn the safety switch on to activate the shock function when needed, ensuring safe handling. We stand by the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues after your purchase, our excellent after-sales service team is ready to assist you via email. What we like. This mini stun gun is incredibly compact and powerful, designed for ultimate portability. It features a built-in LED flashlight and USB charging for convenience. If you need a small, easy-to-carry self-defense tool that fits on your keychain and offers reliable protection, this is a great fit. What people say. The Police Taser Stick is a powerful self-defense tool. It features a bright LED flashlight that can be used for illumination or to disorient an attacker. The durable construction ensures it can withstand tough situations. Number 2. RECOLORFINE Security All-in-One. This device delivers a powerful 80 million volts of stopping power with an intimidating sound. It offers reliable protection when you need it most. Please note, this item is not designed to be used as a striking weapon. Its primary function is for personal safety. It features a bright LED flashlight with 3 modes: strong light, weak light, and flash. This makes it perfect for nighttime activities, providing both illumination and security. Constructed from aerospace reinforced alloy, this device is built to last. Its length is adjustable from 16.5 to 18.9 inches for your convenience. We stand by the quality of our products. If you experience any issues, our after-sales service is readily available to assist you via email. What we like. This all-in-one security device boasts an impressive 80 million volts and an intimidating sound to deter threats. Its adjustable length and durable construction make it versatile. If you want a powerful stun gun with a strong build and the added benefit of a flashlight for nighttime use, consider this model. What people say. The police Taser Stick is a powerful self-defense tool. It features a bright LED flashlight that can be used for illumination or to disorient an attacker. The compact design makes it easy to carry and conceal. Number 1. Omega Star Warrior Extra Large Stun Gun. Introducing the Omega Star Warrior, an extra-large stun gun designed for maximum stopping power. This heavy-duty device offers unparalleled defense when you need it most. Measuring an imposing 18.5 inches and weighing 2.5 pounds, this stun gun is built for substantial impact. Its size ensures a formidable presence, but please ensure you have the strength to handle it effectively. It operates on 2 replaceable 9-volt alkaline batteries, ensuring reliability over cheaper rechargeable options. We prioritize dependable performance with high-quality alkaline batteries. With an easy-to-use on-off safety switch and a spring-loaded activation trigger, operation is straightforward. Remember to turn it off when not in use to conserve battery life. Experience visible electric arcing that alternates along its side, providing a clear deterrent. Please note that the arcing may appear more intense on video than in reality. While videos may create an optical illusion of faster arcing, its real-world performance is consistent and powerful. Trust in its robust design for your personal safety. What we like. This stun gun is built for maximum impact with its extra-large size and heavy-duty construction. It emphasizes reliable, non-rechargeable batteries for consistent power. If you are looking for a substantial, no-nonsense self-defense tool that requires significant physical presence and strength to wield, this is the one for you. What people say. This taser is very effective and has a strong jolt. The design is compact and easy to carry. It features a bright LED flashlight that is useful in low light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.